Hey guys, it's me, Slenderman. As you can see, the amazing Vicky has returned. Look over there. She loves that toy. Did you know that? Look how extraordinary she pulls that thing. Like she can move it. My mom's. Let's have a little interview. Vicky, she doesn't like me that much. Look at her. Well, guys, it seems like I have a rival. There's this girl who uses animal cruelty. Well, I'm not that much of an animal specialist, but there's this girl who puts her dog in a dress, forces her to be in a dress, carries her, and then makes her be in his stupid music videos. I feel bad for the dog because he's being embarrassed on the internet, and the internet's a pretty bad place. So yeah, I think she, and last time she actually she insulted my name. So yeah, and her YouTube photo of her profile is actually one of the snapshot things. I see those things are a little bit creepy though, you know? So yeah, like right now my dog is like a kid. She was a puppy a few months ago. So yeah. So it's my neighborhood. My house. Wait, let me zoom out. Yeah. My house. And my neighborhood. She really likes those bottles. So yeah, I have a YouTube rival. I have a dog, something like that. So yeah. Oh yeah, next video I'm gonna try to upload my music theme. So yeah, I have no intro, but if you guys can teach me how to make an intro or anything like that, don't insult me. I'm a starter to YouTube. Yeah. So this is other guy who did this racial thing. Look, this is a guy who makes videos, makes them like stupid and stuff like that. He roasted these two guys who did like this racist thing, and then he's suing for $1,000. And then I looked in that video where he said he was suing him, and there was a lot of dislikes, and I mean a lot. So yeah. This is Slenderman, and I hereby approve this message. Peace out, yos, and have a good night, and subscribe, please.